Hello everyone. Today I'll be reviewing the McDonald's Poutine. So Poutine is a Canadian food, French fries, gravy, cheese curds. It is really good, and here it is. I'm really excited to get into this. We got a nice wooden fork, biodegradable. So this isn't the most healthy thing for you, obviously. We're talking gravy and cheese curds, but it's a nice little treat, and I've been having a couple poutines, so I want to go try at McDonald's, give it a review. I haven't had this since it first came out, like 2013 or 2013, I think is when it came out. But it's good. McDonald's gravy is pretty decent. Gravy really makes or breaks this because it's a good component of it. If you have bad gravy on it, it's not going to taste good. But McDonald's is a really good one. I love cheese curds, like tiny bit of protein in there. We're talking. It's kind of greasy, but that's what poutine is. Oh yeah. McDonald's French fries are really good for this too. Like, they have some of the best French fries out there, so they go perfectly in a poutine. Just delicious. I'll have one more bite and I'll give my final review. But this is really, really good. Not too hot, but I want to get the cheese curd in there. Cheese curds are my favorite part of this. This is a nice melody of potato, cheese, and gravy. It makes it very well. The gravy kind of heats everything up. It's all like melted cheese and gravy and stuff all in the French fries. The French fries soak it right up. McDonald's French fries are really good for poutine too. They're not like soggy fries. They're kind of crispy, so with the gravy, they just go very well together. So I'm gonna give the McDonald's Poutine an 8 out of 10. If you've never had poutine before, you might not know what I'm talking about, but this is a Canadian delicacy. So go make one or go try one. They're really good. McDonald's in Canada, they make a pretty good poutine too. So if you're in Canada, you haven't had a poutine before, I don't know what you're doing, but go try this out. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I will see you in the next video.